Cops nab suspect in relation to rapes and other criminal offences in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A suspect who was wanted in connection with multiple incidents of rape and other serious crimes in St. Anne has been apprehended by the police. The man, whose identity has not yet been disclosed, is being questioned by investigators and is set to face a number of identification parades. His arrest took place during a targeted operation in Alexandria, St. Anne last week. The suspect is accused of committing a range of criminal offenses including abduction, grievous sexual assault, and using a firearm to commit a felony between October 2024 and February 4, 2025. A police source confirmed that 4 incidents of rape have been reported against the suspect so far. The St. Anne police are now urging other persons who may have been victim of the suspect's alleged crime to come forward and provide a statement to aid in the investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.